Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Origin and development of zoology and anthropology. Early beginning of anthropology. The beginning of anthropology dates back to the period of discoveries and explorations from the 15th century to the 18th century and to the days of the Western exploration missionaries. Good afternoon.
At a 9-to-5 pace, I wonder how bad that tastes. When you see my face, hope it gives you hell, hope it gives you hell. When you walk my way, hope it gives you hell.
Doggy. Hey,
teach me how to dug it. Hey, they be like Smooth. What? Can you teach me how to dug it? You know why? Cause all the bitches love me. Hey, all I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. You to back it up and dump it. Get it?
Bro, graduate ka na? Oo nga po eh. Nakakausap ko nga pala yung ninin mo eh. Kasi lalakad kita sa sa pag-engineer. Para sa pamilya natin may engineer tayo. Ano? Engineer? Oo. Paano? Gusto ko mag-fine arts. Painting. Painting? Oo. Ano ulit? Fine arts, painting. Gusto ko mag-pintor. Anong buhay mo makuha mo doon? Anong pera doon? Loko ka. Pa naman. Bubuhay ko parati na lang kita sinusunod. Tapos, ito, ayaw ko pagbigyan. Pangarap ko talaga yun pa. Pangarap. Sundin mo yung magulang mo. Oh. Papasok na ako. Hinakausap pa kita. Usep!